Good morning, friends. Today we'll understand what is upstream. It refers to the state of having a preponderance of negative feelings and struggling with life. It's a metaphor for paddling upstream, that is, going against the current and not going with the flow. While working way too hard at some time, something uh, figuratively speaking, in other words, when you are upset or angry, you are said to be going upstream. So, my question is, are you flowing downstream or upstream? Have you ever had one of those days where everything just seemed to fall into place easily? It might have been a single experience within the day, or it felt like it was the entire day. If you have, you probably found yourself wishing that every day had that same ease to the things you felt and did. So, what is the difference about those days? This is an idea of attracting what we want in life as going with the flow. When we are going with the flow, we are moving downstream. Have you ever gone rafting or tubing? Imagine what it would be like to paddle or float against the current. It is the flow of water that determines how fast or how slowly we arrive at our destination. Our emotions affect the intensity of the flow. So, do you complain when things show up that you don't like and want? For example, can you recall an experience you expected would go a certain way and you find things going in a different direction? Perhaps one you were not prepared for. What did you do? Did you try to redirect what was happening to go the way you wanted? Were you successful, or did you create more stress and emotional turmoil for yourself? Or did you let go, staying curious and resilient so that you could be open to new possibilities? In the end, how did things turn out? You might not realize how much energy you are using to struggle against something that is happening or has already happened. Your reaction does not change the outcome that has already happened. It is what it is. Your attitude and emotion affect how you deal with what is. Embrace the moment, that is flow downstream, and wrestle with it, that's upstream. How might your life be different if you felt a greater acceptance of each momentary experience rather than struggling against it? Imagine how much energy and good feelings you could generate to attract what you want. Look, we are all human and not always at our best. So many things can get in the way of being able to embrace whatever happens in life with a positive attitude. Every experience, wanted or unwanted, has value to your personal development and business success. Next time you find yourself struggling against the moment, ask yourself these questions. First, how does this person or situation challenge me to grow as a person or to improve your business? And second, what can I learn from this experience that will improve the quality of my life? And third, what can I appreciate about this situation? What are the gifts? In other words, find the value to you from the experience. Let me tell you a story. A friend of mine says that when she feels highly reactive to something and can recognize her reactions, that the person or situation is really working for her, challenging her to look more deeply inside at her beliefs and behaviors. She sees that situation as serving her to grow as a person, which is one of the core values. She can then choose to continue to react, that is upstream, or integrate what she has discovered into feeling better, that is downstream. I have a note on my laptop and a mirror that reminds me I am the source of my attitude, feelings, and experiences. I can reach for a better thought so that I can embrace each moment, be okay with what is, and move forward to what I desire or not. Well, you get the picture, right? If you are feeling unhappy with your life, you have most likely been going upstream. So, ready to change direction? Are you ready to change direction? Contact Dr. Sachitra Kumar who is the founder and CEO of Transilience Learning and Development. We are conducting a lot of training across the globe on law of attraction. Do connect with us at 9893541890. Let me repeat it again: 9893541890. Thank you again. Thank you very much.